apple so shiny and red. B is for bed, where you lay your head. C is for cat with the soft purring sound. D is for dog, always running around. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for guitar, strumming a tune. H is for hat, under the moon. I is for igloo, made out of snow. J is for jar, where cookies go. K is for kite, flying up high. L is for lion, king of the jungle. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest with baby birds. O is for octopus, under the sea. P is for parrot, talking with glee. Q is for queen with the royal crown. R is for rainbow, colors all around. S is for star, twinkling bright. T is for train, chugging through the night. U is for umbrella for rainy days. V is for violin, that music plays. W is for whale, big in the sea. X is for xylophone, played happily. Y is for yo-yo, going up and down. Z is for zebra, with stripes all around. Now we've sung our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?